Hey here everyone, Michael here with another activity video. This will be a short video talking about the science and safety for the stress ball activity. This will be a demonstration of how the lungs work. Kids will learn about the atmospheric pressure inside and outside of a vacuum chamber. In addition, participants of the activity will be able to make their own stress ball. The stress ball can be aid in relieving in stress and provide physical therapy if needed. Decreasing the stress and tension can help improve the quality of an individual's life by promoting better sleep, decreasing the chances of illness, and enhancing a general feeling of well-being. Proper usage of the ball activates the muscles, and releasing the grip allows the muscles to relax. The repeated pattern of such movements help to make the tension and the stress less severe. When referring to kindergarten to third grade's case, the kids will learn about how our lungs work. When we breathe, there is a muscle in our body that helps our lungs move oxygen in and out of our body. When we breathe in, the muscle gets pushed down and it pulls air into our body. At this grade level, kids should know that solids, liquids, and gases have different properties. They also know that the machines can be used to apply pushes and pull forces to make things move. Have you ever noticed that what happens when a bag of potato chips are closed, partly empty water bottle when you are driving from sea level up to from back of our mountains? Nearly an empty water bottle closed in the mountains will get crushed as you drive down to sea level near the ocean, and a sealed paper chip bag will start to begin to flatten out, but it will expand like a balloon when you take it up into the mountains. When we are at sea level, the air above us all the way up to the clouds and to the top of the atmosphere pushes down on us, creating pressure on the water bottle and potato chip bag. When a gas is put under pressure, it takes up less room, which is volume. Sealing a gas in a nearby empty water bottle in the mountain and driving down to sea level causes an increase in pressure on the bottle, and the gas molecules are pushed together so they take up less room, which is volume, and the bottle is crushed as a result of the pressure on the bottle from the surrounding air pressure at sea. In the case of 4th to 5th graders, while doing this activity, the kids will learn about how our lungs work. When we breathe, there's a muscle in our body called a diaphragm that helps our lungs move oxygen in and out of our body. When we inhale, our diaphragm gets pushed down and it creates a vacuum effect, pulling the air into our body. In the mountains, there is less air above us because we are higher up and the pressure of the air is less. At this elevation, the gas in the potato chip bag, it expands and looks and feels like it's going to pop. But if we take the bag back down to sea level from the mountains, it'll go back to being loose and being able to be flattened again. In the case of middle schools and students and beyond, the pump takes air out of the vacuum unit and lowers the pressure in the container. This causes the pressure of the air at sea level to push down on the balloon, causing the balloon to inflate within the vacuum chamber. The lower the pressure in the vacuum chamber, the larger the balloon becomes. Therefore, air must be through the balloon and fill it up to create higher pressures in order for it to be at equilibrium. In this activity, we will pull the air out of the chamber containing a balloon. The air above the balloon is now able to be pushed down on the balloon, and the balloon inflates with air. The same thing happens with our lungs. Muscles in our abdomen pull down on our diaphragm, lowering the pressure in our lungs, and the surrounding air rushes into our lungs. This is how we inhale. The vacuum chamber acts like a machine that provides a pull or force on the balloon that allows the balloon to inflate. Once it inflates, we can fill the balloon with rice or sand. Solids like rice and sand do not have the ability to be crushed like gas can, and as a result, the solid fills the balloon, resulting in a stress ball. And the only safety measures for this activity, deflated or broken balloons are choking hazards for little kids, and do not leave unattended in the presence of small children. That's really about it.